I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pushing 28,550. So we've seen Bitcoin break out of this rising channel, bullish idea. Now Bitcoin has been consolidating for an extended period of time, almost 14 days of consolidation up here. And again, this is just like a spring winding, getting ready for a big move out of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You can see Bitcoin has been moving from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, bottom of the range, top of the range, bottom of the range, top of the range. Now it moved to the mid range and this held. Okay, so it put in a higher low. So this is a support idea. Another attempt up here to break 28,800. Over time, understand on a macro level, over time understands what's happening right here, right? If you go to the order book and you look at Bitcoin, there's a ton of sell orders up here in this area. Traders are taking profits right here, and this creates this resistance level. Until all those sell orders are filled and demand overcomes supply, Bitcoin can't break out. But once it does, if it does, as long as you get a breakout and hold, retest, bullish retest of $29,000 breakout, then you're looking for 31,000, 33,000. I mean, potentially this thing goes to 40,000. However, you're not trying to predict Bitcoin's price moves. You're going to react. I'm waiting on altcoins. I'm waiting, hey, let's trade altcoins. And we had some amazing gains in some altcoins today. The small caps on Kucoin continue to take off day after day after day. I mean, 100%, 32%, 24, 23, 23, 23, 21, 19, 18. Pages and pages, double-digit gainers. Easy money right now on Kucoin. Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin season right now. So once Bitcoin slows down, these altcoins are due for a rally. You've seen Bitcoin 40, 42%, 44% move to the upside, and the altcoins easily can put in 100% profits compared to Bitcoin's 40%. As soon as Bitcoin dominance pulls back, so we'll talk about that in a second. At this point, again, Bitcoin broke out of this rising channel bullish. Can't break above 28,500, really ran up to about 28,000, even 29,000 one time, right? So it keeps there's all the sellers are stacked right here. So you'd have to assume that there's a bunch of buyers that want to get into Bitcoin that missed this move. This move happened quickly. And so now, are you going to get the opportunity to buy at 26,500? Textbook retest would be 25,200. I'll pull back to this area. That would be your best entry possibly. But will it happen? Bitcoin has to break out above this $28,000 level to put in these higher prices. This is where all the sellers are stacked right here. We're going to talk about some meme coins. Is it meme coin season? When's that coming? I'll give you some ideas. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person took $29,000 and turned it into $270,000 part-time trading. He paid off all his debt and he paid off his house. What's that feel like? Life-changing money. This market is the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime, period. This person started with $1,000. They're up to $12,000 on Kucoin. Gem pick bangers. This person, in 14 hours after he signed up, right, he made essentially about $2,400 in the first 14 hours. Everything you need to know about this market will teach you how to make life-changing money. This person started with 500. Now he's at $1,000. He did this in a week. Doubled his money. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. And banger after banger. I've got the strongest team out there, and we're passionate about making sure you're successful. Period. We care. INJ. So I posted INJ 3 days ago. 3 days ago, up 31%. Now, Bitcoin dominance. Chris, when are these altcoins going to take off? And it's here. It's a waiting game. When this thing breaks to the downside and starts trending lower. However, if Bitcoin breaks out to the upside, highly likely this thing takes off and it's still Bitcoin season and you pay attention to Bitcoin and the money is made. Bitcoin's going to outperform almost all the market, right? 95% of the market will be outperformed by Bitcoin when Bitcoin dominance is pumping hard, right? You don't want to see Bitcoin dominance pump and Bitcoin pull back, because that would be the worst case scenario for altcoins. Understand Bitcoin dominance. I talk about it more than any other YouTuber because it's changed my life forever financially. It's given me the ability to know when to trade altcoins. But again, these Kucoin coins, they don't really care. These are anomalies. These are small caps. The small cap season just keeps on running. When you put 20 and 30% gains together back to back, just keep rolling it over, compound your profits. That's how the rich get richer, right? But we want Bitcoin dominance is a good tell of a Bitcoin move. So when this moves, we're looking for a move out of Bitcoin. And then it's forming some sideways consolidation at this point. So move coming eventually out of Bitcoin. Dogecoin. So this morning, posted the Dogecoin setup. Is it meme coin season? And meme coins, they have a season. We posted Doge this morning. It's up 8%. Solid gains out of a large cap crypto. And then you're thinking, okay, Doge is moving. And again, you could see a move up to 9 or 10 cents out of Doge. I mean, your best entry would be a pullback to 7.5 cents where it broke out. Be a pullback to this area and then a bounce. That's your best entry because that gives even more validity to this breakout, which had a bunch of volume, right? So we nailed this Doge move for 8%. SHIB has been moving. I've been watching it. It's right at the 12-hour 200 simple moving average, and there's a bunch of resistance right overhead. So for SHIB upside, for meme coin season, this thing has to break out and flip this level. Now, you had some volume come in earlier. Doge takes off and everybody's all of a sudden they're like, well, what about the meme coins? What other meme coins? SHIB, right? Floki is doing real well right now. SHIB had some upside. Doge, 8%. It's a larger cap coin. ELON, this is Doge Elon. And it's on Kucoin. As an example, I'm looking through all these meme coins, right? I'm just like, hey, wouldn't it be great to have a meme coin season? And it happens sometimes. At some point through our crypto journey, we're going to see these meme coins take off together. Doge and SHIB. Now, will Doge Elon USDT on Kucoin, this is the last, I just had this sitting here. This is Doge Elon, right? Another meme coin. We posted the setup, it broke out 54% profits. Okay, so that tells us, hey, let's pay attention to this idea. But bigger picture, I want you to understand how these coins work as far as their market cycles, right? Because all markets have cycles, they're very cyclical. Understand that after this run up, which is mark up phase, this is distribution. This is where whales are selling. This is mark down phase. Then accumulation. This is where whales are buying. This is when prices going sideways, right? And then mark up phase, hard pump here. And then it all repeats. Distribution happens quickly, mark down, and then works back into reaccumulation right here when you get your rounded bottoms. Rounded bottoms pay the bills, period. When you start to see these rounded bottoms, and I've started seeing them on some of the altcoins, you're looking, reaccumulation happens. This was a cup and handle that we played previously, and then 54% gains. Now, Doge Elon USDT on Kucoin has been through markdown phase, right? It's been through distribution, markdown phase, and now potentially it's going to build this range where it's moving sideways. If there's a double bottom idea right here and right here based on this level of support. So what I do is I'll go through all these coins and I'll just draw these trend lines because I want to know, hey, when this trend line's broken, I want to know, right? And so then you just, Tradingview is so easy. Go to the link in the description, grab Tradingview. It's $20 a month, pro version. This thing is, if you're a mechanic, you need a toolbox. If you're trading, even if you are a holder, you got to be charting these coins. So there's at some point you got to take profits. I mean, think about Bitcoin in itself. I started buying $1,000 Bitcoin. It runs up to close to 20,000. Next thing you know, bear market is down to 3,100. Then it pumps to 14,000, then to 3,800. And then obviously takes off to 65,000, right? So then 69,000 on the next run up. Taking profits changed my life forever. And understand that, holding these coins, if you're buying in here, and you never took profits up here in this trade, you're buying in here, you're right back there. Nothing happened. Your portfolio is back where it started from. You cannot just blindly hold these coins. So now we go back to the alert idea. All you do is draw your trend line. Come in here, draw a trend line. We'll make this darker so it's not spotted. And then we'll go in, we'll right click, and we'll add alert on the trend line. And it shows you the crypto with the condition when it crosses the line only once. It's going to send me a message. So what I do is I chart these coins on one PC. Right. And then I just wait for the emails. If this thing breaks out, I mean, there's a double bottom idea. If Bitcoin cooperates and SHIB and DOGE take off, there's an idea where Elon could put in higher prices. And so it's just, here I am waiting for the signal. Just give me the signal. And so you want to see volume come in. You haven't had any volume in here, right? I mean, you've had some sell side volume, right? But when I draw this trend line, I'm going to make sure that I extend it a little bit extra, because you've got these support levels down here, these support levels from previous price action, but it took the price action all the way down here to bounce, And so this is even stronger support, and then even stronger support is here. So if you get better prices, the ability, if Elon pulls back, if Dogecoin pulls back, that gives you better entries, but you're looking for volume to come in. It's called let volume be your guide. Volume is going to tell you what the rest of the market is doing. It takes a bunch of volume to pump this thing straight up only. Now, are we there yet? Is it altcoin season? And this is a Kucoin. For Kucoin, it's a decent sized coin as far as the market cap goes. It's not going to just insta pump, and I don't think it's just going to take off immediately. The goal is to teach you some basics and help you understand how to use alerts, how to use Tradingview, and understand that, hey, this could come down and give us even better entries. However, right now there's a possible double bottom. But as this dips, we could be forming a larger falling wedge. And it might be, hey, we're going to keep this charted. And if this drops down lower, we're going to get better entry ideas. This is not predicting. This is trading. Give me an idea where to enter this coin. And it's a breakout of this trend line with volume. You got to have volume. If you don't have volume, just skip this whole idea. I can teach you all this quickly. Check out my trading group. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.